How to add multiple accounts on Reddit. Let's get started. Launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the homepage. Now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Now head towards this option of settings. Now at the top, you will find your username. Click on it. Click on this option of switch accounts. With that, you will get the option of add account. Click on it. Now from here, you can easily add an account. You can continue using Google, Apple or email, or also you can click on this option of login. I'm going to click on this option of login. Now type in your credentials of the Reddit account that you're going to add. After you are done, click on continue. And with that, I have just added account in my Reddit. So this is how you can easily add multiple accounts on Reddit. Also, you are able to switch the account. If you want to do so, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Now click on this drop down. You will see your username. Click on it. You will be able to find another account. Now click on it. With that, you will be able to switch the account. So this is how you can easily add multiple accounts and switch accounts on Reddit. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.